Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Duppy. Now, as you can see, we take a small break from the Clansman series. Right. Next video I'm going to see, I'm going to be on some other people who got away. As in, bust the case, beat anti-gang. Today we're going to talk about some youth from a place that them call Tucker. We're going to talk about the general area. You know, Tucker, Granville, Mobile, St. James. Touch point already. You me talk about Myers and the media. Well, today we're not going to hear about Jim Brown. Not the one from West Kingston, or even the one from Clans. Before we go into that, alright, Patreon Squad announcement. We have 2 big people corner videos dropping this week. I know things have been a bit scarce, right, on Patreon couple weeks now, but been quite busy with the Clansman series and also I deal with Nigel thing. So Patreon Squad, look out for them video there. As me say, we're gonna talk about Jim Brown. Not him alone. You see, when I realize say them quote unquote bad man name just get passed around. Notice that? Jim Brown. Even you about the Dodos. Like, I know people don't know say there was even a Dodos from Clans. Right, he's now dead. And I did a video on him. Interesting enough, in the end up caused some problem between your favorite artist and Black Man. Right, but that's for another day. So them love recycle, right? Them quote unquote bad man name. But this Jim Brown and him brother them, right, quote unquote run a place that them called 13th Street. Now in brother them, they have Guy and Wood running meet there. Interesting enough, the all of them look alike. Right, you might mistake them, right, for each other. So even though this Jim Brown is alive, somebody need to check this youth pulse. I don't know how somebody that is alive and well, walking around, can look like, right, them now have no kind of life in them body. Right, I don't know if the bleaching cream caused this. I don't know if because of being haunted, but you know, right, this youth look like Beetlejuice. Remember Beetlejuice? That's what Jim Brown. Him and him brother them, right, I give all the orders them to do them on 13th Street. And them rivals, right, are some youth where right, come from a place that them called Bottom Tucker. Right. You like Taj and them there. Now, you have other youth who, you know, I help run the thing from behind the scenes. Well, not so behind the scenes because it's kind of obvious. You know, use like Prezi and them either, but I'm gonna leave him for another day. So, Jim Brown and Taj them, right, you know them problems. Right. Bottom Tucker 13th Street. Right. They've been at it for a while. You see, you them from Bottom Tucker, right, you end up start make a bag of money on the scamming. Start buy up enough guns. Matter of fact, you may remember, right, like to them called Cadmar. He used to quote unquote run Bottom Tucker until he was killed by the security forces. He did make a bag of money, start buy up pure guns, and then go deadlift them. So now all them weapons in the hands of the youths them, and everybody, right, is now the wickedest thing alive. The aforementioned Taj, him fly out, right, and gone across the border. But as usual, right, he's helping to fuel the war from abroad. Remember when I see how things get ugly, right, in a Tucker when time house are burned down and look like some scenes from Palestine. To further complicate things, right, you have a place them called Dump. Right. You have youths like Rizla and them on there, right. Again, fueling the madness. These guys are textbook 87s. Right. Mobile 87s, which is a different type of 87. These 87s, right, don't want barefoot. These 87s, right, don't sit down on the corner begging bread. I talk about youth say, buy the latest Beamer with the dearest clothes. And yes, as usual, nothing bad mind them feet. But when time they make the money, the next step is to take up badness. Who never bad already, start take up badness. it's an interesting phenomenon. You'd have heard about youth like Aga and them youth who was killed, as me say, you see the aftermath, house burning and all kind of things. Take for example Tanch. Right? He's now escaped, right? The suffering. Because remember, that's what them tell you say, the suffering and the malnutrition are causing. Taj gone across the border. Right? The malnutrition now kill him again. But as him reach, what him do? Help you with the chaos. Jim Brown them, same thing. The man enter the talk, they can't tell me nothing. We have own money, we have own gun. So now, the area is tense. Tucker, Granville and the whole. It's tense, but it kinda calm down. But there's always a calm before the storm. Just like how the last time, it just look like things just flare up out of nowhere. It can happen again. 13th Street, Bottom Tucker, dump. Everybody are blame each other, killings, and I say, you are do it, and I try to set you up. Man, I say, no, you did a killing it. Between 13th Street, Bottom Tucker, place like dump on them place there. Everybody are pointing the finger. You do the killing and I blame me. So now, everybody look over them shoulder like a walk one. All kind of confusion, all kind of madness. Egos mixed with acidic youths, right? Who dwell on an acidic culture. Right? Youths who, as I say in many cases, get rich first and then take up badness. Not for the youths them, right, where involved in this. Not for the youths them, right, where say them a bad man now. Not for them meet they start bad after then get rich. It is mind blowing. Them youth get criminal record after them get rich. But people are gonna tell you say I know culture. The youth them just want money. How do you end up go on the police radar after you start making money? How do you make a bag of money, buy luxury car, start get beer at girl and things, start with your beer brand, and then end up get police record, and then turn wanted man, and then dip on the run. That's what the Yankee them call hustling backwards. So the youth them from Granville as a whole, St. James as a whole, Ironman as a whole, that's them operate, them hustle backwards. Youths, right, come up with all kind of schemes to get rich, just so they can go bust gun. We keep a close eye on gun, because when it flare up, it get real ugly. Beetlejuice, aka Jim Brown and him brother them, die them. Right. Taj me say with a foreign. President we are going to hear about in another video. Right. But I understand say, when time them cause them foolishness, and the community as a whole suffer. You see if they were just in a one, sectioned off part and them a war amongst each other, right? And the rest of the community, rest of the parish now feel it, but they're settling their scores amongst residents who are involved in the war. When time they come light on fire, the fire spread to somebody else. A house to somebody probably take how much hours of work to build. Get burned down because a fool war them involved in. Straight shot kill people, all kind of madness, getting afraid to play upon the road again. And one time, used to play scrimmage, get two shoes and put it on the road and play ball. Nobody want to play ball, everybody afraid, tense. Have to keep a close eye on Granville. Close eye on St. James a whole. Murders is down. Right. But you know guard him telling about St. James, telling about South St. Andrew, telling about St. Catherine now. Unless them actually take the youth them off of the road, unless them actually get some convictions, unless they get neutralized, it can flare up at any minute. So as I say, we have to keep a close eye on it. Security forces know who involved. People know who involved, but as usual, they got here say people fear to come forward. People don't want to get their house burned down, right? And then them are going to tell us, say, well, even if we come forward, it's unlikely they might get no conviction. Anyway, I'm going to let the one right this up now. But as usual, you have to hear more updates. Right? On Tucker, Granville, St. James as a whole. Agent Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Politricks Squad, stay circling. Bless.